Bacardi Rum Cake. Prep time, 20 minutes. Cook time, 60 minutes. Ingredients: 1 cup chopped pecans, 1 yellow cake mix moist type, 3 eggs, 1/2 cup cold water, 1/3 cup Wesson oil, 1/2 cup Bacardi dark rum. Glaze: 1/4 pound butter, 1/4 cup water, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup Bacardi dark rum. Directions: preheat oven to 325 degrees F. Grease and flour a 10, tube or 12 Bundt pan. Sprinkle nuts over bottom of pan. In large mixing bowl combine cake mix, eggs, 1/2 cup cold water, oil, and 1/2 cup rum. Mix well. Pour into prepared pan over nuts. Bake about 55 minutes until golden brown and the middle tests done with wooden toothpick. Cool in pan on wire rack 10 minutes and prepare glaze while it's cooling. After cake has cooled slightly, invert it onto dinner plate or serving dish. It needs to be slightly larger than cake and with a rim to hold in syrup glaze as it's poured. Then prick cake top all over with toothpick. Spoon or drizzle glaze evenly over top and sides. I use a turkey baster afterwards to reach all surfaces and return pooled glaze to coat cake all over. At first the hot syrup will pool in middle and at bottom edges, but as it cools the syrup gets thicker, and if you keep spooning or basting it back up to top, eventually all the syrup will absorb into cake. Glaze: melt butter in saucepan over medium heat, add 1/4 cup water and sugar. Bring to a boil, reduce heat as needed to boil gently for 5 minutes, stirring constantly. Remove from heat. Stir in rum. Optionally decorate border with sugar frosting or whipped cream. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now for more recipes. This recipes is in the description below.